Good morning, dear students. Dear student, today we will complete the long question answer. Okay, from chapter 7, and this chapter 7 is starting with HTML. Okay, so first long answer. Long answer questions. A. Define HTML and its uses. So HTML is a markup language. Okay, so write it. HTML known as markup language that is used to prepare document, web page on the world wide web. It is simply a collection of certain keywords, cards, tags that indicate how the document will be presented. And how it links to another document. Okay, so student, complete your first long answer. Define HTML and its uses. HTML known as markup language that is used to prepare document web page on the World Wide Web. It is simply a collection of certain keywords called tags that indicate how the document will be presented and how it links to another document. Okay, yes. And next question, B. How the structure of HTML document defined. So let's complete. B. Question. HTML defines the structure and layout of web document by using variety of tags and attributes. All the HTML document contains text and graphics created with the help of tags. Document mainly comprises of text and graphics using different tags. Hit tag and identifies the documents head and title and close the angular bracket, tag, create the page title, that is seen in the title bar. Of the web page and body tag, body and close body comment, tag document, tag surround the body. So complete. Okay. So student, with this tag through, we can create the web page. Okay. How will we write the document for the web page? Okay. Yes. HTML defines the structure and layout of web document by using variety of tags and attributes. All the HTML document contains text and graphics created with the help of tags. Document mainly comprises of text and graphics using different tags. So head, title and body. वेब पेज या डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए स्टूडेंट हम क्या करते हैं, पहले किसी भी मैटर का एक हेड, ठीक है, उसका हेड क्या होना चाहिए वो हम करते हैं डॉक्यूमेंट क्रिएट, फिर टाइटल और फिर उस टाइटल का कंटेंट क्या होना चाहिए. ओके, सो दैट्स बॉडी. क्लियर? यस. सो एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन द 3 बेसिक एलिमेंट्स ऑफ HTML. So an HTML document contains HTML and / HTML pair of tags that identifies the documents contents as HTML to the browser, and the HTML tag is the opening tag that show the starting of the HTML and the HTML document and is the closing tag which tells the browser that it is the last line, that it is the last line of coding with in the document. And 3 heading also with this question. Okay, so there are 3 basic elements. Okay, so the C answer is starting from here and here. Okay, and what does the HTML next question, D question, what does HTML tag show? So this answer D also. Okay, both answer of that. Okay, yes. And next question, what is the purpose of HTML editor? Question, what is the purpose of HTML editor? So write the answer. HTML documents are plain text documents. We can use any text editing program to code HTML and create a web page. A text editors are easy to find Microsoft Windows 7 comes with Notepad and WordPad. Complete. And next question, what is the main thing you should follow before creating HTML document? So student, question number EF. So question number F. What is the main thing you should follow before creating HTML? So look, page number 91. Page number 91. Have here step. So before creating a web page, one should keep the following step in the mind. First one, it is important to understand the audience that will visit the page on your website. Always plan in advance that for what purpose you are creating a web page. What are the requirements and how we will make it look good. Okay. First step and second, the home page is usually the first page a visitor sees when visiting a website. So it is important that is consciously communicate the site's purpose and what information users can expect to find. It should also include prominent link to the other important pages on your site. Collect the information required in our documents such as text, images and diagrams according to the topic of the web page. Okay, जो आप वेब पेज पे ग्राफिक्स और पिक्चर टेक्स्ट इंसर्ट कर रहे हो तो आपके टॉपिक के अकॉर्डिंग होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट. ओके, एंड विल क्रिएटिंग एचटीएमएल डॉक्यूमेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑलवेज इंटर टेक्स्ट यूजिंग एचटीएमएल टेक्स्ट इन टेक्स्ट एडिटर. अब वो किस में होना चाहिए? टेक्स्ट एडिटर में होना चाहिए कि नेक्स्ट हम जो है उसमें कुछ मॉडिफाई कर सके, एडिट कर सके अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में. आफ्टर एडिंग टेक्स्ट एड द इमेजेस एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट एंड हाइपरलिंक्स कैन आल्सो बी एडेड टू गेट कनेक्ट टू द अदर वेब पेजेस. ठीक है, और आपके जो है वेबसाइट वेब पेज पे हाइपर लिंक होना चाहिए जिससे हम डायरेक्ट किसी और वेब पेज पर जा सके. फाइनली आफ्टर फिनिशिंग क्रिएटिंग योर वेब पेज इट हैज टू बी ट्रांसफर टू ए कंप्यूटर दैट मेक डॉक्यूमेंट अवेलेबल ऑन द वेब, और जिससे कि आपका जो है इंफॉर्मेशन एक इंटरनेट पर आ सकता है. सो दैट्स कंप्लीट योर 7th chapter. Okay, so please do the complete copy. Okay, and submit it to the school. Thank you so much, student. Have a good day.